Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla, and excuse me. I'm gonna take you on my refrigerator journey. You know, whatever, this and that. I had to clean out the refrigerator today. I ain't do a good job. Ain't know what to throw away. Ain't know what to keep in the refrigerator. But y'all, if you clean out your refrigerator, you will find some pretty amazing stuff in your refrigerator. Trust me, you will. You'll never guess what I found. McDonald's butter. McDonald's butter. I ain't been to McDonald's since. I don't know when. But yeah. Rice in the refrigerator. It's just open for no reason. Just open. People just open food for no reason. They leave onions and stuff out. What do they do with it? Really? Coleslaw. Keep refrigerated. I guess it's still good. Y'all know that milk we be having at school? This milk right here? Now, what is this doing in my refrigerator? I mean, just got cartons and cartons of milk. Of this milk. That's just sad. Sour cream. Don't nobody in this house eat sour cream. Who bought this? Who bought this? And I'm telling who bought this because I didn't buy it. Brand new. This is open. This is 100% tomato juice. And it's open. What? Y'all. Okay, let me tell you. I was finna go get me some grape juice, right? I'm thinking I'm finna give me some, grape juice. Okay, whatever, what's up? I get my little cup, Guess what's in here? Water. Grape juice ain't even in here. And it says grape juice. I'm thinking I'm finna give me some grape juice. Hey, let's go. Milk. April the 6th. Milk old as dirt. Put that back in there. Who eat Blue Band butter? Cause I don't. But you guys, I'm finna be done here. Y'all might say my video lame, but I really don't care. Fall back haters. It's whatever. Blah blah blah. La 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 la. But anyways, yeah. That was just a little journey of me going through my refrigerator. It's medicine in here. Whose is this? That was just me taking y'all on a little journey going through my refrigerator, right? Okay. I'm gonna be making a lot of more videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be singing. I'm gonna be dancing. I'll be twerking. I can twerk. But yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. I know I just made that ugly face, but yep, that was a little journey of me going through my refrigerator. So goodbye, bye.